Hope you're staying dry this Saturday, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Crystal Plone. We're dealing with a lot of rain on the radar right now. Let's take a look at that. It's covering the entire Brazos Valley, and all of that rain is going to still push off towards the north and the east, but it is going to take its time moving out, so we will be dealing with this rain for at least the overnight hours into the morning hours on Sunday. It might even go further than that. Most of the Brazos Valley is under a flash flood watch now. It goes until Monday morning for the majority of us, but for our northern counties and for our western counties it goes until Sunday morning. Definitely something to watch out for though throughout the rest of the weekend. We do have a few flood advisories as well in Waller, Montgomery, Milam, and Robertson counties. They expire at various times this evening. Would not be surprised if we see a few more advisories throughout the evening as well. And we do have a flash flood warning now in effect for Brazos, Burleson, Washington, and Austin counties. That goes until 9:45 this evening. In those areas in red, it would be a good idea just to stay indoors. Don't really travel anywhere because there are reports now of water over a few roadways, so be sure to take precautions and make sure you are taking those safety precautions in terms of floods. So definitely keep that in mind if you are headed out. Maybe just cancel your plans and don't go out at all. We did see a record rainfall so far today. Our old record was just over 2 inches. That was set back in 1905. We have broken that record as of right now, and we will continue to break that record even more throughout the rest of the evening. Here's your 24-hour rainfall totals. We're getting close to 4 inches in Bryan College Station, almost 5 inches over in Giddings and Lee County, and just over 4 as well in Centerville. So we are seeing a lot of rain right now. We will continue to see it throughout the rest of your night into your morning and into Sunday too. Here's what satellite and radar looks like. A lot of the heavy rain looks like it is just off to our east, but the state of Texas has seen a ton of rainfall throughout the day today, so we are not alone in that. The reason being the remnants of Hurricane Patricia is still off to the south. It is interacting with a few upper level systems, and on top of that it is interacting with a cold front as well. So overnight tonight, this is what things should look like, but then heading into your Sunday, we'll see that low start to drift off towards the northeast. That cold front slowly do the same thing, or go towards the southeast, I should say. So we should start to see the possibility of rainfall ending by the time we get to Sunday evening. But again, we will have to monitor to see exactly where that low and where that cold front does move to. So your pinpoint forecast, very soggy throughout the overnight into the early morning hours. We should start to see a decrease in terms of how heavy the rain falls, and we should not see or hear as much thunder or lightning. By Sunday morning, we could be looking at a few more isolated showers instead of more scattered showers like we're seeing now, and by the afternoon, most of that rain does look to push off towards the northeast. We could see a few streamer showers behind the majority of the moisture throughout the evening, but other than that, it looks like we should dry out for your Sunday and then potentially again for your Monday too, but it will be a little bit cloudy. Taking a break from the rain for just a minute, here's your Saturday night picture. This is Gus, sent in by Greg and Judy. Thank you for sending in this picture of Gus. Looks like he's watching the rainfall outside there. Very observant cat. And then here is going to be another view of your radar. Lots of rain still falling. This is something to keep in mind through the rest of your evening. We will see temperatures in the upper 60s. They'll stay that way through the rest of the night tonight into your day on Sunday. A 70% chance of rain is in effect through the majority of your day. We'll see things start to dry out by the time we get to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That'll allow for temperatures to get into the low 80s potentially with a little bit of sunshine, but then we're going to do it all over again by the end of the week into the weekend, since we do have a 40% chance of some scattered showers or thunderstorms by then. So for now, keep an eye on the radar, especially if you have any plans. Make sure you are paying attention to that and any watches or warnings that do pop up. You can always tune in to KBTX.com or Facebook and Twitter, of course, for your latest information. You could also get your latest forecast tonight at 10. So for now, stay dry and have a good rest of your Saturday.